Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best shark party plates is probably one of the most exciting and practical additions to any child's birthday celebration, transforming a simple meal into a memorable underwater adventure that will have your little ones roaring with delight and keeping them entertained throughout the festivities. These vibrant and sturdy plates are designed to withstand the enthusiastic appetites of young partygoers, ensuring that the fun doesn't stop, even when the cake is served, making them an essential element for creating a truly unforgettable and hassle-free party experience for both kids and parents alike. Number 5. WERNNSAI Shark Party Hanging Swirls. Does your child love sharks? Throw them an unforgettable shark-themed party with these fun hanging swirls. They'll add a special touch to the celebration. Don't worry about disposable decorations. These are made from durable tinfoil and hard paper cards, so they can be used again and again. With 6 unique shapes and 3 different types of sharks, there's a style here that your kids will absolutely love. Decorating is a breeze. You can easily hang them from ceilings or doorways to create the perfect party atmosphere in no time. These are ideal for birthday parties, ocean-themed events, or any celebration where you want to create a memorable experience. What we like? These hanging swirls are made from durable materials and come in various shark shapes, making them easy to hang and reusable. If you are looking for a fun and long-lasting decoration for a shark-themed birthday or ocean party, these are a great choice. They are perfect for adding a playful touch to ceilings and doorways, creating an immersive party atmosphere for kids. What people say? They are great quality and easy to assemble. The colors were vibrant yet subtle at the same time. You could definitely see what dinosaurs they are. The actual pictures were nice and clear. The hangers and sharks felt sturdy and of good quality. Number 4. Chic Leaf Palm Leaf Plates. Our natural palm leaf plates are extra sturdy, perfect for holding all your favorite dishes without bending or leaking. Enjoy a sophisticated look with the ease of a quick cleanup. These elegant disposables give you the beauty of a fine dining setting. Spend your evening focusing on your guests, not on washing dishes. Each plate is meticulously crafted from naturally fallen palm leaves, showcasing unique variations and a beautiful wood-like texture. They seamlessly blend with any party theme. Enjoy an odor-free dining experience with our plates, which are cleaned and sanitized for your comfort. Simply air them out if there's any natural scent. Impress your guests with the versatility and strength of these plates. They are designed to hold appetizers and main courses without leaking or breaking, suitable for any occasion. What we like? These plates are crafted from naturally fallen palm leaves, offering a sturdy and eco-friendly alternative to paper. They boast a unique, wood-like texture and are designed to be odor-free. If you're hosting an event and want to impress guests with elegant, sustainable tableware that's also practical for heavy meals, these are an excellent option for a sophisticated yet easy cleanup. What people say? The quality is great, sturdy enough to hold food without bending or leaking. These plates can be used to serve any type of food, hot or cold. They are leak-resistant and highly durable, strong enough to stand up to knives. These are very sturdy and unique disposable plates. Love having something more natural and attractive than the typical plastic or paper plate. Also like that they are a little curved at the edges to hold in any sauce or juice. Number 3. Shark Splash 8-count round paper dinner plates. Get ready for a splash of fun with these shark-themed dinner plates. They're perfect for adding excitement to any child's birthday or ocean-themed party. Each plate measures a generous 8.75 inches in diameter, providing plenty of space for all your party treats. This convenient pack includes 8 durable paper plates, ensuring you have enough for your guests. Ideal for a child's birthday celebration or any under-the-sea adventure, these plates make cleanup a breeze. Coordinate your entire party with our matching line of party goods. We have everything from napkins and decorations to invitations and more. What we like? These are classic round paper dinner plates featuring a fun, shark splash design. They measure 8.75 inches, perfect for main courses at parties. If you're planning a child's birthday or any ocean-themed event and need simple, themed dinnerware, these plates are a straightforward and fitting choice to complement your party's aesthetic. What people say? They were big enough for the pizzas we ordered and were even great for dessert. Sturdy plates. Doesn't say birthday, so they can be used for any event. Especially nice for adult parties, but can also be used for kids. Purchase these and matching napkins for birthday party. They were fantastic. Really good quality and loved the shark design. Number 2. Baby Shark Birthday Party Supplies Set. Get ready for an unforgettable celebration. This set brings the beloved baby shark characters to life, creating a splash of excitement for everyone. This comprehensive kit is designed to serve 16 guests. It includes all the essentials to make your party planning a breeze. Serve up delicious treats on colorful dinner and dessert plates. The matching lunch napkins add an extra touch of fun to every bite. Quench your guests' thirst with these themed 9-ounce paper cups. They're perfect for both kids and adults, adding to the festive atmosphere. Protect your table in style with the included plastic table cover. Its generous size ensures full coverage for a vibrant and clean party space. Complete the look with the eye-catching baby shark-themed birthday banner. It's the perfect centerpiece to announce the special occasion. What we like. This is a comprehensive party set designed for a baby shark-themed celebration, serving up to 16 guests. It includes plates, cups, napkins, a table cover, and a birthday banner, all featuring beloved cartoon characters. If you want a hassle-free way to get all your themed party essentials in one go for a kid's birthday, this set offers convenience and a cohesive, fun look. What people say. The plates and cups were sturdy. The cups, plates, banner, and napkins arrived as pictured. Every item is just like the picture. Number 1. Blue Panda Shark Paper Napkins. Make a splash at your next party with these adorable shark-themed paper napkins. They're perfect for adding a touch of underwater magic to any celebration. Planning a sea-themed party? These napkins are an essential addition to your party supplies. They're designed to complement your under-the-sea decor beautifully. Enjoy your event without worry. These 2-ply napkins are highly absorbent and disposable, making cleanup a breeze after the festivities. Each napkin measures 6.5 by 6.5 inches when folded, providing ample space for snacks and drinks. They offer both style and practicality for your guests. This pack conveniently includes 100 napkins, ensuring you have plenty for all your guests. They are ready to bring smiles and convenience to your under-the-sea adventure. What we like. These are absorbent 2-ply paper napkins with a sea party theme, coming in a convenient pack of 100. They are sized at 6.5 by 6.5 inches when folded, suitable for dinner use. If you need a large quantity of functional and themed napkins for an under-the-sea or ocean-themed event, these provide both practicality and a thematic touch for your guests. What people say. These napkins have vibrant colors and are printed front and back. Good quality, size for lunch and certainly added to the sea theme. Super cute ocean-themed napkins that were perfect for our birthday boys' party. Not cheaply made, so were sturdy and held together well. I purchased these for my son's under-the-sea birthday party. They were a great value, absorbent, and good quality and printing. No complaints. I'd purchase again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.